Yeah, if you are getting objections like, let me get back to you and I'll call you later. If you are getting objections like this, and if you are saying, okay, that's not a problem, when are you available so that I should call you again? You should never ever do this, because you're already losing your authority with your prospect. If he's not seeing if he's not seeing you as an authority or expert, somebody who can take help from you, he will not work with you because he's not seeing you as an expert, right? So the best thing that you can do is to handle objections. Like, I would tell you my approach. My approach would be like, yeah, that's not a problem. Let me check my calendar and see if I would be available for you at this time. Yeah, check your calendar and make sure you'll have to book the call. In the call itself, send your calendar and fix the date. So which day would be better for you, today or tomorrow? I would like to mention one more thing here. I was just curious that which day would be better for you, today or tomorrow? Yeah, at what time? Yeah, like tomorrow, 2 p.m. Yeah, that sounds good. What's your best email address? Yeah, abcd@gmail.com. That's perfect. So I already scheduled a call with you by tomorrow at 2 p.m. Just open your email if you had So once you receive the email, just press. You'll probably see 3 options over there. One is yes button, and one is no. Third one is maybe. So what you do is just press the yes button. It's gonna be okay for me. That's perfect. Okay, let's catch up tomorrow at 2 p.m. and discuss about your business. That's perfect.